This is the Metalman lever press, and is it better than a hydraulic press? I think so, but let me show you. So first we're going to do some urethane forming, which is what a hydraulic press does, and this press can do it just about as well, which is pretty awesome. Now I'm going to show you how to rivet on the press, and it's pretty simple. You just cut the rivet to the right shape or the right size, and you give it a good squish, and then you have a perfectly set rivet, which is also pretty awesome. Now you need to cut a disc? Well, not a problem at all. This press can knock out a disc in about 5 seconds. See? So now let's talk about stamping metal. This press is amazing at stamping metal. And what I mean by stamping is you're kind of forming and moving it. And different stamps form it in different ways. As you can see, I'm pushing that metal out, and this is 1/4 inch thick steel. So just think what that would do to brass, copper, silver, gold. You can really move metal in really unique ways. Imagine a precise hammer pushing exactly where you want. And that's what this can be used as. Another pretty awesome thing you can do with this press is you can cut your own press plate and then go grab your urethane tool and you can go actually cut the plate and press it on the same machine. Now, I think that is pretty awesome. And as you can see in a second, I stamped this plate with 20 gauge copper, and that is what you get using a urethane tool on the plate. And I think that is pretty awesome. So what do you think? Do you think this tool is better than a hydraulic press? Because I kind of do.